In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in a Squarespace domain. This process is crucial when you're looking to connect other services or verify ownership of your domain, and understanding how to manage these settings can give you greater control over how your domain functions. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to access your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section. This part of the site is your command center for controlling all sorts of important aspects related to your Squarespace account. You'll find a variety of options here that might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're focusing on the Domains section today, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Domains menu, take a look at your list of domains. If you're managing several domains, you want to be sure you're working with the correct one, so select the relevant domain you intend to modify. Your domains are neatly listed, so this step should be straightforward. A quick click, and you'll be directed to the settings page for that particular domain. Here on this page, keep an eye out for the DNS settings option in the sidebar. Once you spot it, click on it to delve deeper into customizing your domain. This is where you'll have the ability to add and edit DNS records. Beneath the surface, this step entails fiddling with records that are essentially the address book of the internet, guiding traffic to the right places corresponding to your domain. However, if you don't see the DNS settings option here, it's essential to know that there might be a different reason for this. It could be because your domain is connected via what is known as DNS Connect. In other words, instead of managing your DNS settings through Squarespace, you have to take your configuration efforts to where your domain was initially registered. This is typically your domain provider, and they often have their own specific platform for administering DNS records. If this is your situation, don't worry. Double-check with your domain provider's instructions on accessing DNS settings to proceed from there. They'll have a different interface, but the basic logical structure remains quite similar. You're still dealing with mapping the relationships between your domain and its associated services or websites. By following these steps, you'll have successfully navigated how to add DNS records in a Squarespace domain. Remember, managing DNS settings is all about telling the internet where to direct visitors and services to make sure everything operates smoothly. So congratulations on enhancing your domain management skills. Keep experimenting and learning, and before you know it, these processes will seem like second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!